So I bought a struggling 6-employee residential cleaning company and I built it. I saw the opportunity before I bought it. The previous owner let me spend about a month with her and I heard the phone ringing off the wall. That was the day in the days before computers and internet and online bookings. So it was actually phone calls where you spoke to people and there was business to be had and I saw the opportunity. So I bought the company and I sold it 15 years later and I took it from 6 employees to 140 employees and doing business in 5 counties. We were really regional in the state of Florida, in the United States. I didn't do many states. I stayed with Florida because I had all the business I wanted right here at my fingertips. So then it was really developed into a commercial operation. I enjoyed that part of the business much more so than residential. I had a residential manager and she handled all the homeowners and all those issues. And I focused on the commercial side and built that. So then we sold the business and I started consulting. I got many requests from people all over. How did you do it? What did you do? Tell me how to fix this. What do I do with this? So I said, hey, why not? So I have been coaching for just about 20 years now, working with businesses on, I don't spend a lot of time with startup companies. I spend time more with companies at the million or so level who want to get to the next step. They don't know how to get to the next step. So we work on growth. We work on profit. I'm a huge financial person, as well as employee issues. Employee issues are the hot topic for everyone, right? Pretty much my background.